What up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do the handle technique again. And this time I finally cracked it. And now I can do the handle technique. Like I said, how to do it in my other video. Just doing that. And yes, in that video I had a pocket knife. And yeah, just for doing it for a little bit of practice, I burnt a little bit of a hole through it. But it's good though that I can do it from here. And then all the embers will be underneath, so no wind can get to it. So let's try it. Oh, we're getting smoky. Still got sore hands. Ow! Oh, just knocked it out. Oh, wow. Oh, almost got an ember. Oh, man. That's my progress. Oh. That's the ember, or the dust I collected. Oh, man. Whew. Hard work doing the handle technique, especially because you have to do it with your hands. I think I'm starting to get a calluses on my hand. I got skin coming off my hand. Now it's from last time, but might give it another crack. Oh man, I had the exact same spot. I'm gonna let it collect there with all that other dust. I'm not going to waste it, because if I do, then that's just being not resourceful. So yeah, just wanna warm it up. Sorry about the squeaking. Oh, darn it. So if I'll learn if I get it out just 1 second. I've lost the heat from the top, so far it's pretty warm. Okay, this time I'm actually going to flip it over. I'm going to try it from this side. Okay. Sorry about my disgusting feet. It's just like walking barefoot a lot. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, we're getting something. Oh boy. There's a load of smoke coming from it. Oh boy. I'm wasting so much energy right now. Oh boy. Ow. Ow. My hands are killing me. That's what I got. Almost burnt a hole right through it. Someone's in my backyard. Probably just my brother. And also, do a little bit of the hand fire power technique, sorry. Whew. Used all my energy on this. Whew. Collected all this dust. Did nothing. And I'm starting to get calluses on my hand. Oh boy. Hurts. Hurts a lot. For the first time in ever, I finally got a calluses on my right hand, because it's always been this side of my hand, my left hand, sorry. That's always getting calluses and always getting hurt. And now finally, decided to do on this. But I'm gonna let my hands heal for a bit, and then I'll try it again. So this is part 2 of my fire plow. If you want me to make a part 3, then please hit that like button. Also, please consider subscribing if you want to see me make a huge fire. So if you guys want me to make a fire, then please subscribe and I'll make that fire. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.